This is a video on how to add and edit events on your event schedule. Once you're logged into your dashboard, hover or click on the schedule button located on the left-hand toolbar. Here you will see all your event schedules. You can click on any one you want to edit by clicking the Edit button beneath the title. Just to talk you through what you see in front of you, these are the categories in which you categorize the particular event to, whether it's a food and drink stall, entertainment, and the particular date that the event is showing on. This is when you've published to a particular event, and these you can ignore. They're just related to the amount of views that your website gets. So in order to add a new schedule, you click on the Add New Schedule located at the top toolbar. Once you press this button, it will take you to a page where it will automatically put your cursor into the title toolbar. Beneath is the body of the event. This is where you'll be entering what the event is about. Firstly, we're going to enter what the actual event is. Here, we're just going to call it test. We also have nothing to enter, but for just test purposes, we're going to enter the words test purposes. You can also save as draft if you'd like to work on it now but not publish it, and you like to publish it later. So let's say you want to go and have your tea, you just click on save draft and then return to your computer later on, where you can just edit the event. In order to rank or order particular events on your event schedule for a particular day, you'll need to do this by editing the date. So where it says publish and immediately, if you have, for example, an event, let's say for example test 2, so a different event, test 2, rather than just this test one we're working on, you'll need to enter the time in accordance to where you'd like to see the event on the event schedule. For example, if you would like test to appear above test 2 on the event schedule, you'll need to ensure that test is published after test 2. So if test is being published at 6:56 today, press OK. You'll need to publish test 2 at 6:54. This will mean the older the event is, the lower down it will rank. Here you can choose the category in which you would like the event to appear in. So for example, if you would like the event to appear in on Friday the 13th, you highlight and click on Friday the 13th and the entertainment category too. For the featured image, this is the image that you will see located next to the particular item, i.e. events. You click on Set Featured Image. You can upload your files by selecting the Select Files and choose any file you like to upload on your computer. Alternatively, if you've already uploaded this image, you can just do so. We're going to use a test image of this. Make sure that the width or the height, at least one of them, at least both of them are 320 pixels or below, otherwise the image will look out of proportion. So you click Set Featured Image after you've clicked on the image you'd like. You'll see it locate a lovely image on the bottom right hand corner. So now we have our title, the body of the text. We know when we want to publish it. We've selected the category and the image. Now we enter the time. So let's say we know that this particular event will happen at 8 AM. We enter the time there. Where it says author, this is where you'll enter the location of where the event will be held. Here we're just going to enter the words arena because that's where the event's going to be held. Where it says author job, this is where you'll enter the price of the tickets. If you're selling tickets for this event, or if it's a free event, you can type in free. Here we're going to type in that it's £1 to attend this particular event. So that's all the information you need. Ignore everything below this. Scroll up, and you can also preview. On the top right hand corner, you can preview the events that you've created in order to see if you like what you see, if it looks this is exactly how your user will see it appear. So we've got the title test. We know it's at 8 AM. It's going to be located in the arena and it's going to cost £1. We've said test is about test purposes, so that's the description that you'll see. So you can also go back and edit your schedule by clicking the edit button here. Alternatively, you can just go back, because this would, when you click the preview button, it'll automatically open a new tab. So you can just revert back or close this tab and revert back to the original tab. Once you're happy, you click publish. We're not going to publish because we don't want this to appear on our website. If, let's say, you've created something and you no longer require it, you click on Move to Trash. It'll ask you, are you sure you haven't saved the changes? It's not been published. Are you sure you'd like to move this to trash? We are going to say yes, leave, because we don't need this. Now that's been deleted. It says it here, one post has been moved to trash. You've also got quick access buttons here. For example, edit, quick edit, trash, and view. If you'd like to search for a particular event, if you've got loads, let's say for example here we've got 61 events and 4 pages. So let's say we want to search for an event, we can just literally type in any keyword and click search schedules. This should bring up, there we go, classic historic car rally. That's what we're looking for. Great. This is the end of the video. If you'd like to see anything else, please do let me know.